Hi, my name is Paul Gower, National Accounts Manager for Leguan UK. I would like to introduce you this morning to our Leguan 225, built to conquer all the roughest terrains. The Leguan 225 has a maximum reach of 22.5 metres and an outreach of 11.2 metres. So watch how fast and easy it is to set up the Leguan 225. It is an automatic setup levelling system, one press of a button, and it automatically brings all outriggers down and automatically levels, and the operator doesn't have to spend time on levelling. And this can be achieved in under 60 seconds and can be set up on any terrain. So it reduces your time for setup and gives you more time for productive work. So who is it for? So the Leguan 225 is for the arborist, it's for the building maintenance, construction, and it's for all terrain. So if you've got any rough terrain, this would be your go-to spider lift. So with its all-terrain track base on the Leguan 225, it's been manufactured and thought of for 100% off-road capabilities. So all-terrain, so any challenging terrain you can think of. Because of the design of the track system, because it's a high track system, it allows you to go over the ground contour more in rough terrain. And this is the focus on what it's been built for. When working at height, safety is everything. So with the Leguan 225, you feel comfortable and safe within the basket, because the controls are simultaneously on the two operating joysticks, especially on the 225. When operating the functions, when slewing, you could slew left to right, and as soon as you stop the function, you stop. There's no overrun, there's no override of a slowly creeping rag. It is solid, it is rigid, and it makes you feel comfortable.